Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss a grammar topic with you. That is from parts of speech. The most important parts of speech is verb, because we all know that in a sentence the verb plays a major key role, and it plays a role in a sentence. So what is verb? What is verb? Verb actually indicates an action or a state. Verb actually indicates an action or a state. For example, run, play, read, write. So these indicates an action about what work is doing. For example, he play cricket. Here in a sentence, play is a verb that shows an action about him. So these are nothing but an action. It is a verb. So we have two types of verbs. How many types of verbs? Two types of verbs. First one is a main verb, and the second one is an auxiliary verb or helping verb. What is main verb? What is the main verb here? Main verb is also known as a principal verb. Main verb is also known as a principal verb. So main verb or a principal verb are words like run, eat, dance, and jump. These are all the main verbs. These are nothing but the main verbs which shows an action in a sentence. So it is a base form of a verb or a principal verb. These main verb also known as a base form or a base form of a verb or a principal verb. These are the main verbs: run, eat, dance, walk, and jump, etc. These all play and these all comes under main verbs. So these main verbs shows an action. They plays important role in a sentence. Here, what is the second one? Auxiliary verb or a helping verb. So we have 24 verbs. We have 24 auxiliary verbs. 24 helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. Here, auxiliary verbs are also divided into two types. What are those? The first one is a primary auxiliary, and the second one is a modal auxiliaries. These primary auxiliaries are also known as a primary helping verbs. These are also, second one is the modal auxiliaries. So these primary auxiliaries, they are of 11 and modal auxiliaries are of 13. So we'll see primary auxiliaries. First we'll see primary auxiliaries. Here primary auxiliaries are of three forms. One is do forms, one is be forms, and the other is have forms. What are do forms here? Do, does, did. These all comes under do forms. So these do forms indicates an action. Do forms indicate an action. Next one, what is the be forms? What are the be forms here? Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, and were comes under be forms. These be forms indicates position or state in a sentence. Next, what is the have forms? Have, as, had. Have forms are have, as, had. This have, as, had indicates the possession. Indicates the possession. So these are 11. Do forms, be forms, have forms. Do forms are do, does, did. Be forms are am, is, are, was, and were. Have forms are have, has, and had. So these are primary auxiliaries. How many? 11. 11 primary auxiliaries. Second one, modal auxiliaries. What are the modal auxiliaries? Here there are 13. Will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, need to, ought to, dare to, use it to. These are the 13 modal auxiliaries. Once again, will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, need to, dare to, ought to, use it to. So these are the basic introduction about the verb. So I hope you all understood this introduction about verb. I hope you will enjoy this class. Thank you for watching. We'll see again later. Thank you.